Good morning. Welcome to SSVP News. I am Sanavya Kakoth of 8th Standard. News headlines. Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham School Vegetable Garden inaugurated by Mattanur Agricultural Officer Mr. Srijit S on 30th June. Blue Day celebration of KG students was on 30th June at 4 p.m. It is the first Colour Day program at Sri Shankara School. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir Day celebration will be on 5th July with informative programs. Doctors Day celebration was on 1st July. Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham honored reputed doctor of the area, Dr. P. Gopinathan. Webinar for English teachers was on 1st July by Dr. G. Rajagopal. Our school staff, Mrs. Indira Devi C, retired after 24 years. Anti-Drug Day celebrated in SSVP with informative programs. Natural painting competition held in SSVP. School vegetable garden inaugurated. Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham Senior Secondary School promoting agriculture and farming in order to give awareness to the growing children about agriculture and love towards the nature. School vegetable garden program started in our school. Mattanur Agricultural Officer Mr. Srijit S inaugurated the program. He planted vegetable plants in the school area and talked about the importance of agriculture to the seed members. School Manager Mr. C.H. Mohandas, Principal Rajan Kodakad, Management Members, Seed Coordinator Mrs. Sheenasri and School Seed Members attended the function. Blue Day celebration of kindergarten children was on 30th June. In order to give happiness and knowledge about the color, SSVP introduced Colour Day celebrations. Firstly, we have done Blue Day celebration. KG students and their parents actively participated in the program. They made lots of blue color materials as the part of the day celebration. It was inaugurated by our principal, Mr. Rajan Kodakad. The program was enriched by the beautiful performance of KG students and very good anchoring of Miss Salomi Gopinath of class 10th. English should be improved. So, we have arranged a webinar for English teachers on 1st July. Dr. G. Rajagopal, Professor, retired EFLU, Hyderabad has taken class on the topic General Awareness on English Language Teaching. We in SSVP almost all important days are celebrating. The celebrations and observations are giving very good knowledge to the children. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir Day observation will be on 5th July with informative programs. Speech of our Malayalam teacher Mrs. Purnima C and Sanavya Kakoth and book review of Sai Krishna of 7th will enhance the celebration. Doctors Day celebration was very informative in Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham. We honored a very reputed doctor of our area, Dr. P. Gopinathan. We have to honor all the doctors of the area since the doctors are the protector of the lives of the society. School Manager Mr. Mohandas presided over the function. Principal Rajan Kodakad, Dr. Sujitra Sudhir, Program Coordinator Mrs. Sudha A, Student Representative Kumari Krishna T and teachers attended the function. SSVP Senior Non-Teaching Staff Mrs. Indira Devi C has retired from school. She has completed long 24 years in our school. School management has given cash check and staff members handed over a gold ring and a memento to Mrs. Indira Devi in the function. The farewell party arranged in School Conference Hall was inaugurated by our principal. Anti-Drug Day was celebrated in our school with lots of informative programs. Kuthuparamba Excise Circle Inspector Mr. Sadish Kumar PK inaugurated the program. He has given a valuable information to the students through online speech.
ജൂൺ 26 അന്താരാഷ്ട്ര ലഹരി വിരുദ്ധ ദിനമായി ആചരിച്ചു വരികയാണ്. 1987 മുതൽ ഐക്യരാഷ്ട്രസഭയുടെ ആഹ്വാനപ്രകാരമാണ് ഈ ദിനം അന്താരാഷ്ട്ര ലഹരി വിരുദ്ധ ദിനമായി ആചരിച്ചു വരുന്നത്. ലഹരി വസ്തുക്കളുടെ ദുരുപയോഗത്തിലൂടെ വളർന്നു വരുന്ന തലമുറയെ ബാധിക്കുന്നത് തടയുക എന്നുള്ള ഉദ്ദേശത്തോടുകൂടി സമൂഹ മനസാക്ഷി ഉണർത്തുക എന്ന ലക്ഷ്യത്തോടു കൂടിയാണ് ഈ ദിനം ആചരിച്ചു വരുന്നത്.
The program was enhanced by an animation video by Sanavya Kakoth, speech of Gayatri P, English drama which conveyed the message was very good. Shweta K. Nambyar, Nupura V. Nambyar, Kavya Arnath, Krishna T. were its part. Editing of Sanavya Kakoth, mono act of Sriranjini KP and dance of Tirtha CV, Pooja P, Arya Ashok, Rudunanda KP and Kirti KK were the highlights of the celebration. The story was written by our Adisri. Program was coordinated by our teacher Mrs. Deepti Balan. In connection with Environment Protection Day celebration, natural painting competition held in Shankara Vidyapeetham for the students for 5th to 12th. Sports news. Sajan Prakash becomes first Indian swimmer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics. Sajan Prakash on June 26, 2021 became the first ever Indian swimmer to qualify for upcoming Tokyo Olympics by breaching the 8th standard time. Hockey India nominates Srijesh Deepika for Khel Ratna. Veteran Indian goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh and former women team player Deepika were on Saturday nominated by Hockey India for this year's prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. England qualifies for quarter-finals. England reached the quarter-finals of the European Championship with 2-0 win over rivals Germany at Wembley on Tuesday. And that is the end of this news bulletin. It's your Sanavya signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day.